God is saying to you today, forgive as I have forgiven you. I know the weight of pain can feel overwhelming, and letting go of the hurt may seem like an impossible task. But, my beloved child, I want you to understand that just as I have poured out my mercy and grace upon you, I am asking you to offer that same grace to those who have wronged you. Forgiveness isn't just a gift for others, it's a gift for your own heart. When you choose to forgive, you open the door to healing and allow my peace to take the place of bitterness and resentment. I see the inner battles you face, and I am walking with you, offering my strength and guidance every step of the way. Remember, I have wiped your slate clean, forgiving your sins and embracing you with my love. You are a new creation in me, and I long for you to live in the freedom that forgiveness brings. When you forgive, you reflect my heart and reveal the depths of my love to the world. You are not alone in this journey. I am here to give you the courage to release the past and to step into a future filled with hope and peace. Pray for those who have caused you pain, and let my love soften your heart. In doing so, you will experience the joy and freedom that comes from releasing the burden of unforgiveness.